Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are great. Welcome to the channel. Here I am going to share with you great software named AutoCAD. Before I get started, let me answer this question. What does AutoCAD mean? AutoCAD is a software application. It is a commercial computer-aided design and drafting used for 2D and 3D dimensions. AutoCAD is a program extensively used by civil engineers and other professionals all over the world. It allows to analyze design easily and efficient. So, this course is designed for anyone looking for best practices skill to create professional 2D and 3D drawings and designed for either personal or professional use. By the way, if you don't have the application, you can download for a 3-year educational lesson from Autodesk student website. Check the description below. I have put the link below the video. So let's get started. When you get started AutoCAD, you will reach this starting screen on which you can see different types like get start, resident document, notification, or you can sign up with any Gmail you have. Or here, Autodesk releases new version of AutoCAD every year. So here I'm using 2018. So it doesn't matter if you are using 2007, 2010, or 2022, all lead same function. So get started here. We have a different tools like open files, open sheet, get more tumble online, explore some drawing. Don't worry, you will learn all of them. And here recent document. In this Chrome you will see recently open document, or here you can change the preview if you want. Here we have a three tabs. You can make large or small or just the list view. And also we have learning time. So here we have some videos which can be useful, and here we have a learning team. So if you want, you can get more information, click in here. So that's all about start your screen. So let me create and get started drawing. Here we are in drawing ideas, this interface, you know. The AutoCAD program window is divided into several points, so you can organize the way you prefer. So here we have application menu, quick access toolbar. We have in here also InfoCenter, and here we have ribbon. And ribbon also it has a different tabs like home, insert, annotation, parametric, and so on. And each of them also have individual panels, like here we have a draw, modify, annotation, and others. So for example, if you want to expand in here, you can click in here. So here we have a additional tools, you can access it. So if you want to expand like this way, just click this push pin here. Even after moving a cursor, it will stick this panel this way. So if you want to move, just click again. So in here we have another thing is you should know is here we have a notification, view cube, and here also we have user coordinator system. So if you want to remove those elements, you can go to moving and just click for this. You can click all of them, and here we don't have all of them. We don't have notification, we don't have view cube, we don't have user coordinated system. So if you just want print bank, just click again, and here we have all of them, right? So this is the way you can move and print packet. So let me look in here. So here we have also a quick access toolbar. If you want to add something, or if you want to remove, you can just click in here. And here we don't have, for example, I want to add a workspace, so you can add it. And here we have. And also if you want to add a layer, also you can add it. And if you want to remove a same function, you can just click for a workspace, and here we don't have. And this ribbon, if you want to add or if you want to remove or print some things, it depends on the project you are doing, right? So let me for example, let me remove this 3D tools. So I will click in this blank side, right side. Let me click, and here we have a show tabs. So for example, I want to remove this one, so let me remove 3D tools. So here we don't have a 3D tools. So if you want to bring back this, it is the same. So click show tab, and here you have again. So that is the way you can add, you can bring, or you can remove. It depends on the project you are doing in that situation. So right now we have in here also a command, and command is a useful object. Everything you write in AutoCAD, it will appear in here. So a command, you can expand. So click the boundary, you can expand like this way, or you can bring it back in its position. So for example, I want to remove the command. So just click Control 9. Here we don't have. So if you want to bring back, again, Control 9. Here we have. So another way I'm going to share with you is, for example, at this panel, you can bring outside. You can put in this area. So let me say, click in any area of the drawing. So here we have. You can put in here, and you can play the way you want. For example, if you want to bring back this one, it is position. Just to click this retain panel to ribbon, and that's all. Here we have again. So what I would like to add with you is how to search AutoCAD in some things. You can search in command, or you can search in application menu. For example, let me search in here line. What you do? Just write a line, and here we have a line. You can click. Another way you can search is go in application menu, and you can write in here line. It's very easy, right? So he say this is the way you can search, man. So that's all what I have. It's just the only introduction of interface. I don't want to draw anything, man. My goal is to just show you, is to just understand the interface of the software. So if you understand this, and don't worry about it, don't say I don't understand this, but just you will understand. You will use every tabs or every object step by step in the following courses. So just stay with us. So if you are new in here, that's all what I have. If you are new in here, please subscribe. Consider to subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you the next video.